Hello and welcome to part 3 of the 1978 Kawasaki KH400 series. As you can see in this brief recap, we've got most of the front end together, and so far I'm loving the way this bike is turning out. What I'm even more excited for is that we finally picked up the bodywork from the paint shop, and in this video we started to put it on, and I don't want to spoil it for you, but I think it's looking great. Sorry, but come on, you didn't really think I'd give the paint away that easily, did you? Thanks again everyone for tuning in. If you like what you saw, please click subscribe. If you want to say something, leave your comments below, click like, and until next time, ride safe.